Hello my fellow sketchers, in this video I'm going to tell you some more options in costume tab. So let's click on it. So this button allows you to delete any part of the sprite. So let's select its head and click delete. As you can see guys, now it's deleted. And if you want to delete the whole sprite, just select nothing and click delete. Now this button allows you to undo the last step that you made. As you can see guys, it has undooed. And same for this, but instead it will redo the last step you made. Now this is the copy button. It lets you to copy any selected part of the sprite. For example, I select its head and click copy. Now this allows you to paste the part of the sprite that was copied. As you can see guys, now it's here. Now, if you made any mistake, like if I draw a pencil and make a mistake, so you can just go to the pointer tool and select that and click delete. Now let's drag its head to the center. Now, you can flip the sprite horizontally by clicking this. As you can see guys, now it's facing that-wards. And with this, and when I click this again, it points towards that direction. You can also flip it vertically by clicking this option. Now, with this option, you can set the outline thickness of the sprite. So for example, I select its head and set the outline thickness to, let's say, 11. As you can see guys, now its outline thickness is 11. You can also ungroup them by clicking this option. As you can see guys, now they are separate parts. And you can also group them by clicking this option. As you can see guys, now this part of the sprite is one whole. Now, for understanding forward and backward, I will need 3 squares, red, blue and green. Now, I want the red layer to go to the topmost layer. So, I will select it and I will click this option, front. As you can see guys, now the red square is at the topmost layer. Now, I wanted to bring it to the bottommost layer. As you can see guys, now the red square is at the bottommost layer. Now let's say I need this red square to be in the middle of green and blue squares. So select this red square and click forward. As you can see guys, now it's in the middle of these two squares. Now let's say click the option front. Now let's say I want it in the middle of, as you can see guys, now it's back one layer. Now let's click backward again and place your position. I hope you guys like this video. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys and take care.